Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Y'all, let's shit right 254. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, share it out. Somebody might like the same content. So, if you just found the channel, this is my 84 two-door box Chevy. We took it down to bare metal. We started the body work on it. I was trying to have it ready for a show. Then I had a little motorcycle accident. But good bounce back from that. Summer was hot as shit. And I didn't want to be out here fooling with it. So now that it's October, I got some vacation time coming up. Week after next, we're gonna try to go ahead and finish the body work and spray it and be done with it. It turned into a big old disc, so we're in the process of getting everything off of there. But this side was pretty much straight. Biggest problem areas was kind of like back here on the trunk. There's like a little dip right there. So we're gonna have to build that up, smooth it out. And then just the different places we had to do body work on this side. So probably coming up this week before the actual vacation, we're gonna try to go ahead and get the rest of the body work done and get it ready to spray. Probably like that first day or two that we on vacation. Then later on in the week of that vacation, I want to go ahead and try to knock out the brake upgrade for the Cutlass. Got the drilled and slotted joints, the G-body blazer upgrade. So we're gonna try to get that knocked out. Also, I gotta do the drum brakes on the back of the C10 on the passenger side. So we got all the stuff for that right there. So spindle upgrade for the front, or spindle upgrade for the front of the G body. Now we pretty much got it running how we wanted to run and everything. So we're gonna knock out them spindles, do the drum brakes, do the body work on the car and stuff, get it painted. What else? Got to finish dialing in the C10 tune, which that shouldn't take a lot. Then it's already kind of pretty much done as far as the math tune or the VE type of tune. Got to dial in the math and then go from there. I started up the box today and gas was leaking, just kind of out the blue. So it was probably them damn fittings, AN fittings and stuff. So we're gonna have to drop the tank, see what's going on with that. C10 pretty much, like I said, C10 pretty much good. Let's see what else. I'm gonna be doing fluid change on the bike. That'll be more in depth on the other channel. So if y'all want to see that, check that out. Let's see what else. This list over here, haven't looked at this stuff in a while. Turbo C10 is on hold for now, because we just trying to figure out some other stuff with it. But yeah, by the end of the year, bodywork, paint, final assembly for the two-door truck converter. Else we can come over here and mark some stuff off. Torque converters. Oh shit. Okay, that one don't work. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, there we go. Torque converter is good. Posi and the axles. I don't know if that's something that we'll be able to get done here soon, but the steering shaft and the spindle update, we gonna try to get those done while we on vacation. And then of course y'all already know the Dakota Digital turned out to be a real thing, so we got that for the photo box. So I don't know if we'll be able to get it installed this while we on vacation, but we'll see. Might try to fool with exhaust while we on vacation. We did get new headlight bezels. We got Sandman pedals, vents and strikers, probably coming soon. Cosmetic though. Door seals, brake light. We already got AC lines, side moldings, maybe fool with that console. See what we can do with that. So, but the biggest thing, this one right here, Landau, get that finished. Go ahead and knock out the steering shaft and the spindle upgrade. So the only thing we'll have left for Badass Yellow Boy, aka Sunset, will be the posi and gears and the axles and the quarter top. And like I said, C10 should have gone on hold. As far as the drop kit, I'm reconsidering if I even want to. I done bought it, so I might as well just go ahead and put it on. But we gonna see. I kind of like it, kind of sitting up like that, but who knows? Yeah, man, it's back to the grind. Y'all know it's been about almost 3 months since I took over as a store manager or whatever. So my days start 4:30 in the morning and then turn around and don't be done till I'm up at 4:30. Damn near off by 4:30. So it's like 12-hour days. So usually when I get home, I chill with the fam, whatever, and go from there. But it's time to get back to business, get this stuff finished so that we can go ahead and get it done and out of the way. And then also, once I get this done, then I can go ahead and pull probably the C10 back up in the garage. Maybe pull the C10 in the photo and put the two-door back outside and go from there. So much to do. Probably finna end up letting go of them Landau seats locally, front and back, because we did get the interior upgraded. You know what I'm saying? So we got a Camaro dash in here, Camaro interior. So Gotta do some final stuff to that. And get that all together done and good. So I know I said it years before, in years past. You know what I'm saying? That we didn't want to be working on no cars this year, but we took it up a notch. We started painting and a whole lot of other stuff. So added skills to the toolbox, but a little still not completely done where we want to be. And then we still got the colors, which we was gonna change the sunset. So if we're gonna do that, then that's gonna be done. So it might just get left like that for now. You know what I'm saying? But this one definitely need to paint, and we gonna still definitely do that. So that's the update, man. That's the update. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Rock with your boy for as long as y'all have been. We started from the bottom. Now we here. You know what I'm saying? 4 LS swaps later, 4 bills later. Good, bad, ugly. Working through the kinks. Making it do what it do. So we're gonna get it together and go from there. So we're gonna go ahead and sign this off. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said, and let me know if y'all ready for this box to finally come together. All right, let me show you. Because if you also new to the channel, you don't know about the color that we're going with. It's a little dirty, but it's a little dirty and dusty, but you get the idea. Let me see if I can wipe it off for you. All right, so there you can kind of see it in the light. I think it kind of scuffed it up. It was shining harder than that, but that's the color we're going with on the box. One of one color. No, you can't have my paint code. Just sit back and enjoy it. You know what I'm talking about? Sit back and enjoy it.